Hello, friends. It's been a while, I know, because I'm sick of the coronavirus and everybody talking about it. So I decided, I'm not going to talk about it or worry about it. Still healthy. Imagine that. Not been all around. Went up to Dallas to renew something that I needed, and the traffic was unbelievably awesome. There was nobody on the road. Well, there was people, but hardly. Yeah, 4 hour trip took about 3 hours, 3.5 maybe. But went to the stores up there. Man, shelves are stocked pretty good. They are indeed. Some of the stores have you wait in line because they can only have so many people in at a time, of course. And when I went in there, of course, the only thing I couldn't find was toilet paper and hand sanitizer. Go figure, right? Yeah. Anyway, traffic was awesome. Didn't have any problems going up there, come back down, had zero issues at all. It was lovely. There are, however, some issues that I would like to talk about when it comes to traffic and driving. Y'all know how to use a turn signal at all? Most of you don't. Guarantee it. Either you forgot where it was, or you just never knew where it was. Something. I don't know. But y'all need to start using them. It's really annoying when you don't. When you're trying to take a right-hand turn, you're coming from the street to the left. I don't know if you're going to take a right onto my street that I'm on, but I wait, and I wait, and I wait. Sure enough, you take a right, and sometimes at the last second, you turn your signal on and be like, oh, yeah, see, look at me, I'm a good citizen. No, you're an idiot. That's what you are. Signal your turns, people, so other people can drive. Okay? It's not that hard. And yeah, you still got to be cautious just in case that person decides, oh, I didn't want to turn there. I'm going to go straight anyway. And you don't have a collision. Got it. I understand that. Sometimes that does happen. But more often than not, doesn't happen. Y'all just need to use your turn signals. Another thing I'd like to talk about is your driving. Not the erratic driving that you see when people are drunk or on drugs or under the influence of whatever. I'm talking about your speed. If I'm going 75 miles an hour on a 75 mile an hour road and you're passing me up, flipping me off, looking at me like I'm driving crazy, you're the problem, not me. I promise. I promise. You're the problem. I'm not. I'm going the speed limit. Most of the time I'm going a little faster than I should be, and you're still passing me up. So am I the problem? No. So don't flip me off. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. Just keep driving. If you're in such a big freaking hurry, drive on, son. Drive on. You'll be okay. Don't look at me funny. That's about all I got right now. People's crappy driving and the fact that it's been awesome. Oh, one more thing. I guess that wasn't all. After this is all over, all said and done, everybody decides to come back out of their caves that they were dwelling in for the past how long. There's going to be a lot of people out there. A lot of idiots out there. So be careful. I guarantee you that 100 cars that you see on the road for 300 miles is going to be probably 5,000 times that, and even worse than rush hour traffic. So just be careful and know that people are stupid. And the sheeple are going to be all over the place pretty soon. Okay? Bye.